Hey there, Switch fans! The hype around Nintendo Switch 2 is off the charts, especially with the Switch 2 Experience event. While I didn't make it in, I have some exciting news for those of you eager to join the frenzy. Plus, there's something absolutely insane happening that you need to know about. But first, a shout out to today's sponsor, Raven's Watch. Let's dive in. Sponsored segment. This video is proudly sponsored by Raven's Watch, a brand new roguelike action game that's taking the gaming world by storm. With over 700,000 players already raving about it, this game is a must-try. Available now on Nintendo Switch, don't miss the huge cross-platform update dropping on January 30th called Nightmares Unleashed. Why should you care? Because Raven's Watch is packed with action. Choose from 9 heroes inspired by folktales and fight to save the world of RRY. Customize your hero, tackle reshuffled biomes with each run, and adjust the game's difficulty to your liking. The best part? Tons of free updates and DLCs are on the way. Grab Raven's Watch now through the link in the description. Alright, back to the Nintendo Switch 2 experience. If, like me, you didn't get in, your best bet now is to sign up for the waitlist. Although it's first come, first serve, and spots are extremely limited, it's worth a shot. I'll link the waitlist down below for you. To give you an idea, each event slot has 90 spots, totaling around 3,700 spots. With likely over 1 million people trying to get in, it's super tough. Covering Switch 2 is part of my job, and I'd be thrilled to be one of the first to get hands on, even if it means heading to New York, Dallas, or LA. eBay craziness. Now, here's where it gets wild. People are selling tickets on eBay for insane prices, up to $1,000. This includes a ridiculous $451 delivery fee for a digital Nintendo account. This madness is against Nintendo's terms of service, and they strictly prohibit selling or exchanging accounts. How they'll enforce this, I'm not sure, but it's clear this isn't the way to get in. No one should be paying a fortune for these tickets. If you're desperate to try Switch 2, look out for demo kiosks at places like Best Buy or events like PX East. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and drop a comment if you're excited about Switch 2 or Raven's Watch. Until next time, stay gaming.